Hello everyone, I'm back with another tutorial and today we'll be doing this floral painting on a canvas. The first step is very easy, that the whole canvas has to be covered with black acrylic paint. Using a broad size brush just speeds up the process. After the black paint has dried up, I am using a mixture of some burnt sienna and a tiny tinge of black. This will give you a dark shade of brown, but when I'm using this on a black canvas it looks somehow like the henna shade, so it works that shade as well. And I'm using a size 2 brush for painting the stems here. When you're painting the stems, make sure you're doing it with a light hand and not applying a lot of pressure on it. Light strokes makes you have thinner strokes. And I'll also be doing some bokeh effect. So for that, I'm painting the stems, and whichever stems have to be bokeh, after painting them, I'm just brushing over them using my fingers so that they are not very clear. After all the stems have dried up, I have taken a watery mixture of white paint. I leave one dot on the canvas and then using a dry round head brush, I'm tapping on it. This is a 2-brush process and this lets you do a bokeh image very easily. You can add multiple white dots onto existing bokeh if you want them to be brighter. You can also use your fingers to blend the bokeh dots. After that, I'm also using the previous mixture of brown and white at some places for the bokeh. I'm adding some more white dots which are a tinge brighter than the previous dots, and then using white paint I'm painting some flowers. For the flowers, I'm technically using a thin sized brush, be it size 0, size 1 or size 2. Then I'm using a rather brighter shade of green at some of the stems and I'm brushing over them with my fingers. Since this is a very undertone sort of painting, so I do not want the dark or the bright shades to contrast a lot, so I'm not letting the bright shades to brighten up the painting too much. So whenever I'm using the brighter shades like this one here, I just brush over them using my fingers so that they blend a little with the black background. Also, I've mixed some pink and white to make a very light shade of pink, and I'm using it mainly at the center of the flowers. Once again using a detail brush. Also, you can use these pink shades at some parts in the background for the bokeh effect. Here you are with your floral canvas painting. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.